Model, 65 plate Ford Transit Custom 290 Trend E-Tech 2.2 TDCI starts runs needs turbo replacing no VAT bargain. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 211062. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2125 PS TDCI-B. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. Check engine light on the dash. Straightforward with turbo replacement job engine and gearbox are fine. Will be a bargain with no VAT to pay, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, parking